Okay, today I'm going to teach you how to make a maple whiskey sour. This is a really delicious drink. It's so fun to serve with friends. In fact, I rarely make just one because I'm usually making this with friends. So, first ingredient is fresh lemon juice. So, for those of you who don't know, when you have a lemon, you want to roll it out to kind of get the juices loose in the lemon. And then I'm gonna slice it in half using our Santoku chef knife. It slices right through super easily. And then we have this amazing citrus press, which I'm going to get my lemon juice out with. So I put the lemon in, there's holes on the bottom, so the juice will come straight out. And honestly, I judge it based on the juice in the lemon. And you, sometimes for this recipe, will just use half of a lemon. This is a smaller lemon, although it seems to get a lot of good lemon juice in there still. So you just kind of go by taste if you want half of a lemon or a full lemon for one drink. Okay, next up is an egg white. And so we have this awesome egg separator I'm going to use to separate my yolk from my white, because then I'm going to use the egg white. Creates a really nice little foam top for our drink. So you can see how nicely that separates, and I'll save that yolk for something else later. And then I put my egg white in. I've got ice here in the shaker, just so you know. Some of you might have this little Dazzling Duo set. If not, I can't get it for you anymore, but I might be able to track one or two down for you. So just reach out. If you have it, use it. It's great for mixing drinks. So this is a liquid measuring cup, and we're going to do 2 ounces of whiskey in here. Okay. And then we're going to do 3/4 of an ounce maple syrup. If you want it a little sweeter, you can do more than that. I like mine on the less sweet side. And then I'm going to add a few drops of bitters. So you can choose bitter of choice. I actually really enjoy the cherry bitter, but I'm also gonna put some yummy cherries in at the end, and that will give me a little more cherry flavor. So I put the lid on, I shake this up. Oh gosh, sorry, didn't have that lid on tight enough. Shake it up. And ice in there. Now, before I pour this, going to get our cup ready, and this is my favorite ice cube for whiskey and whiskey type mixed drinks like this. This is our sphere, and you can see how what a beautiful sphere ice cube that makes. So I can put that in my glass. It's just really fun, and look, you can make 12 of them at once in this tray. And then I'm going to pour our maple whiskey sour on top of that ice cube. I can tell by the color that it's perfectly blended. You can see the foam coming on top from that egg white, which is great. And then I love these cherries. They're the best cherries. I tell my kids they cannot eat them. They are for mommy's drinks only. And I put 2 in there, and I have a beautiful drink. Cheers.